Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to run a degree audit on yourself in a program that we call DegreeWorks. This is something you want to do probably every semester, but you definitely want to do it before you talk to an advisor and when you're getting ready to graduate so you know you have all of your stuff complete. So the way you do this is go into pause, click on student records, and then you should see a link for DegreeWorks. When you do that, it'll put you on a screen just like this one. I've obviously blacked out the student's name and e-number, but this is what yours should look like. Okay, so it's going to have your student ID, your e-number, your class, your senior, sophomore, junior, what your major is. Okay, it should say RN to BSN program, and then it's going to show you what you still need to take. So this first page is kind of like a summary of what you need. So keep scrolling, and when you get to humanities and fine arts, that's really where the degree audit starts. So for the example, this student has completed her humanities and fine arts. Scroll down to math. She has not taken her math requirement yet. We do require statistics, so that's what she would need to take. Um, there's no way for you to know that. You would find that out when you talk to your advisor. You can see that you would need a math requirement. Her scientific awareness is almost finished. She just needs a physical science. The neat thing about DegreeWorks is you can come over to the side. I have this in a Word document because I blacked out the name, but in DegreeWorks, you can actually come to the side and you can click on these and it'll tell you whether it's online, in person, and what the class is about. She's met her social and behavioral sciences, and she's met her cultural diversity. One thing I'd like to point out to you is that cultural diversity can double up. So if you have like a humanities requirement that you need, some of the same classes are needed for cultural diversity. So if you need both the humanities and a cultural diversity, you might be able to get it in with one class. So keep an eye on that. Then you can see she's got her language finished, but she still needs to do senior seminar. So everybody, unless you're a post-bac, you need to do a senior seminar. I talked about this a little bit in the plan of study earlier. You can pick any of these senior seminars. They're kind of funny, some of them. Um, and then you can see the electronic writing portfolios that you have to submit 3 of. Keep scrolling down, and then these are the nursing classes. So the degree audit shows you what you need, and unfortunately, not every junior college is made the same. So sometimes we get students who come in who really don't have to take many classes. Maybe they just need a statistics. And then I have other students that come in who don't have any of their humanities done. They have to have 3 classes in humanities and another class here or there. It really just depends on what you were required to do at the junior college you attended to get your RN. But not all ADNs are the same. So that's why some students might have to take more classes than others. But for the state of Illinois, to obtain a bachelor's degree, you have to meet these requirements. So let us know what questions you have about a degree audit. But again, I would suggest running these at least every semester just to see what you need. It'll show once you start taking classes here, it'll show your grade, what you still need to do. It'll show what's in progress. And then at the bottom, which I didn't continue to take a screenshot of that, it'll show everything else that you took from the other colleges that you've been at. But that is how you look at a degree audit. Make sure you have one of these ready when you do an advising appointment. It makes make sure that we're on the same page when looking at things. Let us know if you have any questions.